Hi! In this time, I want to show you how to make a simple Milo Coffee Jelly Desert. Well, happy watching guys! There are some ingredients and tools that you need before you make it. Just read it, okay? Now we are going to the step to make the coffee jelly dessert. First, pour the jelly plain into a pan. Next, 2 sachets Nescafe, 5 spoons of sugars. After that, you have to pour water, 600 ml. Then mix them, cook until boiling and cool in the mold. The second step is pour the gelatin powder into a pan, and then 1 sachet of Milo, and then 5 spoons of sugars. Mix them. Don't forget to pour the water to cook until boiling and cool in the mold. The third step is pour the evaporation milk into a bowl, and then 1 sachet of Nescafe, and then 2 creamer into a bowl too. After that, you have to mix them. Next, put the jelly and the gelatin into the bowl. Before that, you have to cut the jelly into cubes and then slice the jelly too. After that, you have to mix them, and then don't forget to put the basil seed. Well, you have to mix them, and then the Milo Coffee Jelly Dessert is ready to drink. Okay, enjoy it!